Glenn from Toronto Yacht Sales by United City Yachts, Canada's Yacht Sales Network. Today we're aboard a beautiful 2018 Monterey 355 Sport Yacht. 250 hours on this boat, almost brand new, barely broken in. For you here in Canada, no luxury tax on that, which is really important. Big 6.2 liter Mercs. Generator only has 5.9 hours on it. Let's take a look. Have it 2018 Monterey 355 Sport Yacht by United City Yachts, Canada's Yacht Sales Network. You can reach me at Glenn, G-L-E-N, at torontoyachtsales.com, 905-409-1908 if you'd like to book an appointment to see this. More details and photos are on our website, www.torontoyachtsales.com.